Spray topping works well with some planning. In mid-autumn, you need to identify what paddocks have problems with grass seeds. The types of grasses you are looking for are silvergrass, brome grass and barley grass. These are your annual grasses as opposed to your broadleaf weeds. Once you have identified your paddocks, what does spray topping involve?
Over that springtime, we would actually heavily graze those pastures that have infested with those weeds. And then around about 2 to 3 weeks before those major weeds set seed, we would actually remove the stock from those paddocks there. And we would then let those weed seeds actually run to head. And then we would actually come in with a spray, a non-selective herbicide such as glyphosate or paraquat, and spray somewhere between seed head emergence and milky doughy stage. So depending on what chemical you use there would depend on the timing.
Tackling these annual grasses at this stage prevents the setting of viable seed heads. Spray topping is most useful for perennial improved pastures that have been invaded with annual grasses and situations where you may not have been able to get a winter clean on these pastures. For example, if your paddocks have been too wet, this becomes the last prong of attack prior to these annual grasses completing their reproductive stage. It's important to check the withholding periods of any agronomic products used to manage grass seeds before stock are placed in sprayed paddocks. And one final tip.
To get the most out of it, we need a uniform seed head emergence following grazing. So the more uniform that seed head emergence is there, the more effective this strategy will be.